Susceptible to climate change. Because of climate change, the melting of the ice caps could have potential to transform the entire region of the Arctic. The sensitivity that the polar ice caps contain means that they are great indicators for the health of the planet. The leading greenhouse gases and human interaction are a few of the many factors that impact the Arctic surface temperature. Maintaining the surface temperature is important because it controls the melting of the ice. Since 1950, the temperature of the Arctic has increased more than twice the global average. Because of the change in temperature, many Alaskan communities will be impacted as well. The projections of higher temperatures create many concerns for the future. For some, the impacts will be beneficial, but for many they will be detrimental. Commercial activities such as transportation companies will grow stronger. For marine animals, hunting food will become more difficult, and protection from predators will become non-existent. Many local and native communities will face health issues. Since the indigenous people rely on hunting for food, the decrease of game will create many food shortages within the community. Plant populations are also projected to decline. In order to adapt to the many changes of the Arctic, communities are setting up flood and water management systems, as well as avalanche protection systems. Unfortunately, there are many economical issues within the communities of the Arctic and Alaskan region, creating a low sense of cohesion rate for solutions to the climate change issue.